Check out the marigolds we have growing. They are a powerhouse in your garden. If you're not growing marigolds in your garden yet, here are some reasons why you should. They're so beautiful. They make a great border, but I love that they help deter the deer, which love to get in the garden. We all know how hard deer are. You can grow the tall variety, the crackerjack, or you can also grow the shorter variety, which is the French marigold. We have them both on our website. Be sure to add marigolds to your garden. They will not disappoint you. Marigolds have a substance in their roots that kills nematodes, which is really helpful in the garden. And they also have a very strong scent on the flower and leaves, which deters a lot of unwanted pests like the cabbage worms, aphids, and whiteflies. And I know if you have been gardening like I have, you've experienced problems with all three of those common pests. The strong scent confuses the insects that may come into the garden, so they can be really helpful to plant as a border, but also really helpful to plant near vegetables, especially tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes. But they bring insects that you do want, like the pollinators, the butterflies, the bees, the hummingbirds. The marigolds are really great for the soil as well, which I love plants that add to your soil. The roots in the ground form together and that helps prevent erosion. And then as they decay over time, they add organic matter to the soil. Marigolds are a great living barrier in the garden and they help suppress weeds, which I always love. So these beautiful fall orange flowers are the workhorse in your garden. Marigolds do so much in the garden, so the healthier your marigolds are, the healthier your garden will be. So they love to be planted in full sun with well-draining soil, and then go along and deadhead the ones that are spent, so you'll have more blooms and more pollinators in your garden. Be sure to plant these workhorses in your garden and reap the benefits marigolds have to offer. If you found this video helpful, we'd love for you to subscribe and follow along for more gardening tips.